Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link threads to your Instagram account. So make sure that you will just install Threads app from the App Store or your Google Play Store. And what gonna do, you will just open the Threads and select login with Instagram to automatically link your account. I will just tap on it from my Instagram and let's see. So you don't need to do any options. I will just log in with your Instagram account simply, and it will automatically link your account. So I will successfully logged in my threads through the Instagram account, and I will just go in my Instagram account and check my threads username. So here you will see below my username, this is my threads link. I will just tap on it and it will simply open in a new tab. So this is, you can just simply link your account to Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.